Welcome to my kitchen garden. This is a before shot. Everything's been planted now, so I thought I'd take you through a stroll. There is the spiral herb garden that I made with all my herbs. This is going to be Blue Lake green beans grown along the trellis, and in the front I have zucchini and squash planted. My husband built the trellis for me. The black pots all contain 3 varieties of tomatoes. This is my little pitiful lettuce bed. I think the heat in the afternoon is messing with my lettuce, and the fencing is to keep the rabbits out. There is my glorious cabbages. Still got about another month before the heads are nice and full. I put some cabbages in black pots too. This is a bed with carrots, onions, and mustard greens, just starting to peek through the dirt. And those are like baby carrots, they're the smaller dwarf size. This is my Swiss chard and my mustard spinach and a row of onions along the back. Another peek at my cabbages. Been able to keep the rabbits out of that with the fencing. Here is my potato bed. I have red and russet potatoes in the buckets and in this bed. And I just keep mounding it with straw as the plants grow taller. This is my cucumber trellis. My husband built this for me, and there are cucumbers planted along both sides of the fencing, and they'll grow up the fence. This bed has hot peppers, bell peppers, dill, and some more zucchini and squash. This bed has purple hull bush peas, 3 rows. I have Better Boy tomatoes, Roma tomatoes, and cherry tomatoes planted. These all I grew from seeds. And there's a peek of the before garden. It's April 13th, 2020. And I will show a future video of when all the crops start coming up. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.